Hello there everybody, good afternoon, welcome to another video by me, Mr. Drone. I'm here this afternoon at the Isle of Man ferry terminal. You can see this walkway here is pretty much done now. I'll tell you what I will do whilst I talk. I will turn you around to have a look at it. It's obviously it's blocked off at the moment because the ferry terminal isn't open, but it is complete, all laid and everything, so that is looking absolutely fantastic. So we'll soon be able to access the back of the ferry terminal from the pier head here once the ferry terminal opens, which we're expecting some point over the next few months or so. It is in the very final stages now. There's a little bit of work still going on down here at the edge, but anyway, for now I haven't been here for a good three weeks or so, almost a month I think, because of how close it is to completion. There's not too much progress to see from the air anymore because it's almost done. So anyway, we're going to get up there now, have a look at it, have a fly around, have a look at how good it looks and how close to completion it looks on it's Tuesday the 23rd of April 2024. So let's get up there and have a look. Okay everybody, there you go. That was my latest update of the Isle of Man ferry terminal on the 23rd of April 2024. Looks really good, doesn't it? I had to get a bit higher than I wanted to be honest, because there were a lot of seagulls about. You've possibly seen during a couple of clips on my video, birds flying close to the drone, and a lot of them as well. But anyway, it looks absolutely amazing, this site now. When I think back to when I first started doing this, and it was just a small part of a metal frame, and now we're here very close to completion. So yeah, all the lanes marked out as well, on the roads, on the roads inside the terminal, which will mark where people will queue to get on the boat, to drive onto the boat. So yeah, looking absolutely fantastic. I'm sure you agree. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. I'll pop back here, be the end of next month, unless it's open by then, but yeah, it'll be the end of next month. We'll pop back and have another look at it. So that was the Isle of Man Ferry Terminal in Liverpool on the 23rd of April 2024. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye now.